To reconcile your EveryDollar debt snowball, start by understanding the debt snowball method, which involves paying off debts in order of smallest to largest balance. First, list all your debts in EveryDollar, including credit cards, loans, and other debts, along with their balances and minimum payments. Next, sort your debts by balance, with the smallest balance first. This is the order in which you will pay them off. Make the minimum payment on all debts except the one with the smallest balance, which you will pay as much as possible towards. To reconcile your debt snowball in EveryDollar, go to the debt section and make sure all your debts are up to date and accurately reflected. Then, apply any extra funds you have towards the debt with the smallest balance. As you pay off each debt, use the money you were paying towards the paid-off debt to attack the next debt on the list. This will help you gain momentum and pay off your debts quickly. Remember to regularly review and update your debt snowball plan in EveryDollar to ensure you are on track to becoming debt-free. By following these steps and sticking to your debt snowball plan, you can effectively reconcile your EveryDollar debt snowball and achieve financial freedom. It is also important to note that while the debt snowball method can be motivating, you may also consider the debt avalanche method, which prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates. Ultimately, the key to reconciling your debt snowball is to create a plan and stick to it. Using tools like EveryDollar to track your progress and stay organized. With discipline and patience, you can pay off your debts and achieve a stronger financial future.